Paracord Teardrop, or the Paracord Teardrop knot, or simply the Pipa knot. So if you want to learn how to make these Paracord Decorative knots, stay tuned, because in the next few minutes I'm gonna show you how to create this Paracord knot. Enjoy! Aloha everyone, and welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube paracord channel. My name is Ale, and for today's project we're gonna need this piece of a paracord, total length about 35 inches or 19 centimeters in a metric measurement. So let's start. First, take the end of a cord like this and simply create the overhand or underhand loop as you wish. So take this end and simply twist it like this, and you're gonna create the loop. Let me just zoom a bit, like so. Now when you create the loop, you're gonna simply take this end, the longer one, and make it and create another loop like this. Now take it and pinch it here and around this loop. Now simply create another loop. Always have pinched this part. This is the part when the wheels are made. Readjust so the cords will be close to each other, and continue. And now, through this loop here, insert the end of a cord. And as you can see, we finished our Paracord Teardrop, or the Pipa knot, Teardrop knot or Pipa knot, as you wish. And after you finish this, you can take the ends of a cord, cut it off and melt it down. I'm gonna show you what I did in the previous two projects. As you can see here, I melted down and joined them on the end, like you can see. And with this one here, I'll melt it down and tuck it all in under these cords here. So that's it. I'm left just to rearrange the loops for this one. And one more thing, as you can see here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, Here I have 4 and 4 for this side here. It depends how many rows you will have. That will be the size of your teardrop. And this is the nice Paracord decorative nuts. You can make the earrings from it, or you can simply create the medallions or necklace add-on. It's all up to you. I do hope that you like this tutorial. If you do, give a thumb up, share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe, it's free, and that way you're helping us to continue making these awesome Paracord tutorials. And in the end, next to the subscribe button is that small bell button, so click on that too. That way you will be alert every time we post another or a new video. Until the next time, wishing you just the best, stay safe, be well, and see you all in the next tutorial. Dale signing out. See ya. Bye.